Do you want to know how you can create a logo using Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a logo using Midjourney. Go ahead and open midjourney.com, log into your account. Now to create logo, let me give you some tips. The first tip is to choose the type of logo you want. Second is refer to artistic genres or movements. The third tip is to use names of famous designers. The fourth tip is to describe the artistic technique. And the final tip is to tell the AI what not to do. So let me give you an example. I want to create an emblem for a motorcycle group. I want a vector art, simple one, but I don't want photorealistic details. So I will keep no photorealistic details over here. So let me go ahead and paste it over here. Now let me change this. I don't want it for a motorcycle group. I want it for a car group. So I will go ahead and write car and emblem. So you can see that you must denote what you want and you can just hit enter. In a while, you can notice that your logo has starting to create. In a while, your logo will be complete and you will see the details of your prompts. So this was the first example using vector, simple animation or simple techniques but no photorealistic details. The second one is a mascot logo of a robot. So the first one was an emblem but the second one was a mascot. So you will get a mascot for a logo. You can see that I want a mascot logo for a robot, simple vector but no shading details. So I will go ahead and copy this, paste it over here and click enter. As you can see, our car logo has been already completed and you can see the code or prompt for it. So you can see that no photorealistic details are applied, so it is mentioned over here. As we have written down our logo about the robot, you can see that a mascot logo is being created. In a while, the logo will be created and you can see that it is starting to generate. Now let me give you another example. So this time I want a brand logo. So I will write a logo for an ice cream brand, simple vector, and you can mention psychedelic art. This way you will get colorful art which is perfectly fit for an ice cream brand. And you can also write no text realistic details. Also to mention, Midjourney is not so good with the text, so you can edit your Midjourney photo to your Premiere Pro or Photoshop and then you can keep the text afterwards. Let me go ahead and copy this, paste it over here, click enter, and you can see that this type of logo will be created and you can see the note, no text realistic details. So if you tell what you do not want to Midjourney, it will automatically disable the feature. So you can see it is written no photorealistic details, no shading details, no text realistic details. So you can see that Midjourney creates a perfectly fit logo which you can refine and you can use. So this was a video on how you can create logos using Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye. Take care and make sure you enjoy.